So here's Klein's new glow fish rods, or fish sticks as we like to call them. They're color coded for a reason. So if you look at this largest kit, the orange is a low flex, the light green is a mid flex, and the blue green is a high flex. So this particular kit has got one high flex, two mids, and two lows. So that gives you the ability to reach a lot of different areas. If you need something more rigid, you're going to go with your orange. If you need a little more flex but you still need it strong enough to push through, you're going to go with the light green. And if you need something that you can bend in half, then you're going to go with your blue green. It comes with a chain for easier pulling and all kinds of tips and hooks. Looks like three tips and hooks and the chain. And that particular one is 70 bucks. And then you can get a smaller kit that is only the mid flex for $50 if you don't need the multiple flexes. And then you can also buy just the high flex. This is a 5-foot rod, comes with two tips, and it is high flex. So I'm going to try to show you how flexible that is. So we've bent that well past 90, and I'm not going to bend it all the way in half because I don't want to break it standing here in the store. People will look at me silly and then I'll have to buy another one. But that's the high flex. So again, you could put this high flex on the end and it's going to work its way around corners and around things, and then use the rigid to do the pushing. There's all kinds of reasons as to why you need different flexibility fish sticks. Again, the big kit that comes with everything is 70 bucks. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get it. I'll see if I can get it cheaper than $70 for you. And be sure to click that subscribe button at the bottom. That's the best way to help our channel grow. And go ahead and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. And hopefully y'all watch our next videos, and y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.